Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 28th, 2020. Yes, the second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. And this will be a number, let me position the camera. Yes. Number 1812. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I have already counted. This one has 27 printed digits. And if you compare with the additional, with extra Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, 27 is a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 9 in this column? The last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then. The 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 3, 7. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 1. We have the 3 and the 1 in this big square. So no 3 and the 1 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. So those 2 numbers in the middle row are reserved for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4 are missing. Let me mark them for you, 6 and 4. Alright. And now we have an 8 in this column and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair within a big square. So now we have 2 boxes left in this column. The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. Yes, let me mark them. Oh, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes and there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 7. 1 box left in this column, the last column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark them for you. Yes. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in the first row? The missing numbers here are the 1, the 5, and the 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 there. So in this box cannot be 1 or 6. This should be the 5. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, alright. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the second row are for the numbers 2, the 6, and the 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 here and a 9, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 2, the 6, and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. And now 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. Now we have a 7 there, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 2. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. and all the 8s are used. I can see here's the digit number 4. Then 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Very fast in time. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds with the last regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. So see you later. Bye bye for now.